we have here the very pretty Penstemon apple blossom. If we have a look, they grow as spires, these beautiful tubular bells on them. If we look at this one, we've got the flowers out here, and up here, these are buds. They're still to come. You can tell that because they're nice and fat, and they've got some very nice colouring. They're going to show what they're going to come out as. Whereas this bit here, this is finished. You can see it's got all the brown showing on it. And what that's starting to do, these hard bits, that's the seed forming. If you let plants form seed, then they don't bother flowering again, because the only reason they're flowering is to make the seed. It's very nice and straightforward on how you cut down the Penstemon. It's simply a case of cutting off all the old bits. Your cutting is normally about halfway down into the plant. Often when you're doing deadheading, you're going to a specific point, you're looking for a side branch, you're looking for where there's the next bud. Penstemon is really just about going above any kind of leaf join below where that old flower is. We've got this one here, and actually it does have a bit of a bud coming there. So I will simply cut away. And we're only in the very end of July here, so that is definitely going to form some new flower spikes for us to keep us going, as I said, hopefully up to the frosts. When we get to the end of summertime, you'll find that you want to get rid of those last flowers. You can cut those off. Don't be tempted to cut anything else in the winter time, though, no matter how tatty the plant gets, because that's how people end up losing their Penstemon. Wait till the end of winter, wait till the frosts have passed, and then if you need to do any further tidying of the plant, that's when you can do it.